Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create a stream of varying values using iterator method of stream interface. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin this video. So guys, in previous video we have learned that how to create or generate a stream of constant values using generate method of stream interface. This is what we have done in previous video. This generate method is going to generate a stream of constants, and that constant value is plus. Now there may be time when we want to generate a stream of varying values. So how can we do it? Well, this is where iterator method of stream interface comes into picture. So using iterate method of stream interface, we can generate a stream of varying values. So let me show you how can we use iterate method to generate a stream of varying values. So let's replace this generate method with iterate method, okay? So guys, if you look at this iterate method of stream interface, you will see that this method takes two arguments. One is seed and second one is the unary operator, okay? So let me tell you what is seed and what is unary operator. So first argument is seed. So this is the first value that is generated by us, okay? So let's give it 1. Now the second argument is unary operator. So guys, unary operator is nothing but it's a function that takes a value and return a value, okay? So in this case, let's give it a lambda expression, okay? So here this unary operator takes previous value as a value, that is the integer value. So let's give it a name I. And using the previous value, it's going to generate the further values. So let's call I plus 1. So let me explain once again that this iterate method takes two arguments. One is seed and second one is unary operator, okay? Seed is nothing but a first value that is generated by us, okay? That is equal to 1. And the second one is a unary operator. Unary operator is nothing but a functional interface. So we can pass a lambda expression over here. Now what this method does? So unary operator takes one value and return one value. So here this unary operator is taking previous value, and by adding 1 to it, it is returning a new value, that is the next value, okay? So this is how we can create a stream of integer using iterate method, okay? So let's store this stream in a variable, and the name of that variable is int stream, okay? And what is the type of this variable? And the type of this stream is stream of integer. So far so clear. Now let's collect all the elements of this stream in a list. So let's create a list of integer, give it a name li, and then let's call int of stream dot collect method to collect all the elements of this stream in a list. Let's print this list on the screen. Let's give it li, and if you run this program, you will see that our program is keep running continuously, and after some time it's going to break, okay? And it is throwing an exception out of memory. So it says that stream.iterate method is also returns an infinite stream. So if you go to the documentation of iterate method, you will see that it is returning an infinite sequential ordered stream. So this means that we have to stop this iterate method from creating infinite elements. And how can we do it? As simple as that. We have to use the very most famous method, that is a limit method, okay? So let's give it a 5. So after 5, this limit method is not going to consume any elements from this stream. Now let's run the program, and you will see that 5 elements is printed on the screen. So basically what are we doing here? We have defined the first element as 1, and then we are adding 1 to previous element. So first element is 1, then we are adding 1 to it, it becomes 2. Then we are adding 1 to it, it becomes 3, and then we are adding 1 to it, it becomes 4, and so on and so forth. But make sure that this iterate method is going to return an infinite stream, okay? So to stop this stream from going infinite, we are putting here a limit method to limit the consumption of the elements, okay? Now if you look at the documentation of this iterate method, after Java SE 9, this method has one overloaded method, and this method takes a seed, a predicate, and a unary operator. So let's use this version of this method. So let's remove this limit method from here And now we are going to use the predicate. Okay. So predicate is going to take one value and in return it's going to return true or false. So let's give it a name as j and let's call j less than equal to 5. Okay. So here j is nothing but a previous element. Okay. So we are checking that if the element is less than equal to 5, then keep on generating new elements. Once this predicate becomes false, it's going to stop generating new values. Okay. So let's run the program and see what it outputs. So it is still returning the same output. So we have completely removed the limit method and instead of limit method we are using predicate. Okay. And this predicate says if the value of element is less than 5, then keep on producing new values. Else, once the predicate becomes false, the iterate method stops producing new elements. So this is how you can leverage predicate if you do not want to use limit method. Okay. So guys, by now I hope that you understood that how to use iterate method of stream interface to generate an stream of varying values. Okay. So here the value is not fixed. We are generating varying values using iterate method. Okay. So far so clear. Alright guys, this is all from my side for this video. If you learned something valuable from this video, then please hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.